1968 Chevrolet C10 long bed. Cool camera angle back there. One on the inside showing all the shifting. We'll start it up, go through functions, and we'll cruise down the road, get back to the shop before it rains, get it put on the YouTubes. All right. No pump of the gas, starts right up. Good size muffler, but still got the V8 tone. We got good old-fashioned vent windows. Seals are in good shape. Locks right into where it needs to be. Crank window works awesome. Signal, they're a little fast. They work. So you got hyper on the left. Maybe a bad connection on the right signal. Park lights, headlights, high beams. Indicators right here. No light out of that one. Wipers, low constant, high constant. Push into wash. You can hear the pump. No fluid. Oh, choke. Choke does work. Radio. All the way up. Let it warm up just a hair if it's a tube radio. There is no antenna. That gives me an idea that the radio is not connected. We'll leave it on low in case we get some static. Fan speed high. Defrost. Well, you got blower motor, but you don't have the duct hooked up because you only have the feet air. I mean, you can hear the cable moving, but it's not direct and flow. Cigarette lighter, it's the original looking one. Next, looks unused, good condition, no smell of smoke. Ashtray. Glove box, we got your build sheet, and it matches up with the blue that we got on this truck. Got some original paperwork, looks like an order sheet or purchase form, and then some older insurance cards. Got some 96, 99 stickers, got quite a few of them. Then there's your owner manual and protective plan. There's your protecto plate. That's pretty darn cool. Purchased January 20th, 1968, it says. Last name Hansen you can make out on there. How cool is that? Dash is in great shape. Obviously a replacement pad. These cracked almost always. Rearview mirrors mounted up nice. It's not the correct one because the visors don't tuck in, but who's gonna tell you that? It's a nice rearview mirror. Visors are nice and stiff. They stay where you put them. In good shape. Cool compass here. Shows that we're heading south. We are. All right, let's go through the gears and beat the rain. Reverse, up, or to you and up. Gotta back up a good amount to get out of here. And then first, to you and down. Second, away from you and up. Should just kick itself right in there though. And then there's third. truck's geared fairly low. You'll notice that as we go down the highway, it runs out about, I think it was 50. Kind of sounds like 3,000 RPM or so if I had to guess. There's 40. We'll work our way up to 55. All right, 55. As you can tell, she's singing. Bigger back tires or a gear ratio change and you'd have no problem holding 55, 60 all day. These long beds were generally farm trucks and you wanted as much of a truck as you could get for your money back then. So you got the big bed and some low gearing to do some work. Alright you guys, any questions, head on over to frankmanmotors.com, click the I'm interested button if you are, and then on YouTube, like, follow, subscribe, and share. Watch another video if you got the time. All those things help me. And stay tuned, we'll see you next time. Thank you.